Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can view your saved passwords in the Google Chrome browser on your mobile phone. This method works on Android phones, Samsung devices, and it's very quick and easy to follow. Many people save their passwords in Chrome and later forget where to find them. So if you've ever needed to check a password for a website or app, this video will help you a lot. Before we begin, if this video helps you in any way, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and lets me know you enjoy these tutorials. Let's start. First, open the Google Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots menu. From the menu that appears, scroll down and select Settings. Now inside the Settings page, scroll a little until you find the option called Google Password Manager. Tap on Google Password Manager to open it. At this point, Chrome may ask you to verify your identity using your fingerprint, face unlock, or phone lock screen. Just complete that step to continue. Once you're inside the Password Manager, you will see a list of all the websites and apps where Chrome has saved your login details. You can scroll through the list to find what you're looking for. Or you can use the search bar at the top to quickly search for a specific website. When you tap on any saved account, you'll be able to see the username and the hidden password. Tap the eye icon to reveal the password if you need to view or copy it. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find and view your saved passwords in Google Chrome on your Android phone. This is very helpful if you forget a password or want to log in on another device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.